In this video, I'm going to show you something called escape sequences. The first thing I want to show you is there is in the top right hand corner of your keyboard is a backslash. All right, backslash is what we use when we're talking about escape sequences. So what if I wanted a new line? So I want this will print out and then a new line, like hitting enter, and then to the screen on the line below. Well, I can insert the new line escape sequence in here and watch what happens when I run this. Here we go. So here it is right here. So this will print out. This will print out, and then it ran into the new line escape character, and then to the screen went down to the next line. Pretty cool. So that was the new line. What if I wanted some space? Well, the escape sequence /T is for tab. So I'm actually going to put, say, 3 of them in there, right? So that should be like hitting the tab button 3 times. So let's try and print this out. And look at all that space right there. So you can have automatic tabbing when you're printing out to the screen by using these. I'm not sure if this next one works or not, but let's try it. I have no idea if this is going to work. Let's try it. It does not work on my system, but it's supposed to ring a bell. That would be really annoying. There's a couple more, like what if you wanted to print out, if you notice, double quotes have a special meaning in Python, right? They surround strings. So if I were to put, say, the word to in double quotes, notice that it messes up my program. See that? I'm going to get an error now because it doesn't understand what that is. So how do we print double quotes inside of a string? Well, the escape sequence is backslash and then quote. So here's a backslash and a quote. Okay, and now if we print this, I'm going to go ahead and run it. And there you have it. It printed out quotes to the screen. You might have thought too, like, oh, you know what? The backslash, what if I wanted to print one of them? Well, you know, it has a special meaning. So if you put 2 of them, it'll print out 1, right? The first one's the escape sequence, and the second one is what gets printed out to the screen. So here's that. I'm going to run that. So here you have that down here. And the only other one that I haven't talked about is what if you wanted to put a single quote? Because single quotes also have special meaning. So you do the escape character and then have a single quote, and that should print the word to with single quotes around it. So let's run it and find out. Sure enough, there it is right there. All right, so those were escape sequences.